Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, June 4th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro Yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the Euro Yen, I still think it's extremely clear that this is a 1, a 2, and this is a big wave 3. There's still really no evidence that the wave 3 is over, and it easily could just make another correction and just keep on going up, and it would still be all part of a wave 3. Eventually, I definitely think it needs to make a big correction for a wave 4 and another push up for a wave 5, but we're definitely still not even to that point as of yet. Heading down to the weekly time frame, definitely looks like a lot of the yen pairs have made a pretty significant turn, and maybe this is going to go down pretty significantly. I have a hard time believing it's going to make a new low. I think it's likely to make a higher low, and it's maybe going to end up pushing up one more time. I would have to see a 3, 4, 5 shape and a break of structure just to believe that this wave 3 of 3 is actually over. So going down to the daily time frame, we definitely got a pretty big push down, but this thing went way too far beyond a wave B for me. I don't think this is a wave B. I think that we're just in an uptrend, and that this right here is likely just to be a correction to that uptrend. I think it's probably pretty likely to go down to at least a 50 to 61.8 before it does continue up, but I would definitely be looking at this move as most likely a correction to this last trend up. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we definitely got what I think looks like a downtrend, probably is like a wave A. This is probably more like a correction right here, probably likely a wave B. I think this is probably likely a wave C. Now, like I said, I don't really think it's over yet, and it seems likely that it would go down and take out that low back here. So I think the 50% of the 61.8 is probably a pretty likely area to see the end of this trend. Once we do get the end of this trend and we get a Fibonacci bounce with a nice break of structure, I definitely would stop looking for shorts at that point, and at that point I would definitely go back to looking for longs. We have to remember that this yen is still in a wave 3 on the much higher time frames. This is probably just a correction to that wave 3, and it literally could bounce off any one of these fib levels and just continue the uptrend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we definitely got impulsive down. We definitely got corrective up. Most likely a 1, a 2, and we are most likely in a wave 3. I think we're probably in a wave 3 of wave C based on the higher time frames. So based on that, I would definitely be looking for shorts in a downtrend like I was explaining on the 4 hour. It's probably likely to go down to at least a 50 or a 61.8. So I would be looking for shorts at the end of pullbacks. I definitely wouldn't try to go short now, but if it made some pullbacks, especially three-way pullbacks, then I would go short at the end of those three-way pullbacks for the continuation of what I think is a wave 3 of wave C. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership on my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups that I share with my members at the time of entry, and access to my daily live trading sessions. As always, thank you and happy trading.